Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to everyone. So for today, I would like to present about the reflection video regarding to the industrial training. So for the industrial training, I have go to the Intel's company, which is located in Kulim. So for this internship, I have been assigned to the department, which is known as Manufacturing Service Desk, or known as MSD. So this MSD will do the operation support, which is for manufacturing. So for manufacturing, okay. For during the internship, I have undergo many ticket, which is the for Intel they have used the ticketing system, which is for the user to submit the issue or problem. Okay, for this, for usually the issue that I have faced, which is for network, which is need to check for the connection something, or maybe to solve the error for manufacturing. So I have also need to familiarize with the few software that uh, Intel have used, and also have to the couple of their service requests, which is to change the lot status. Okay, for this troubleshooting, we have followed the 6 step of troubleshooting, which is first is to know the problem statement, second is to know the root cause, third is to know the alternative solutions, and then select the solution, and also the last one would be the improve out validations, validate from the validate the outcome. So for this one, Intel have tried to implement the concept of 6 step. Okay, regarding to the industrial, the for the duration during the internship, I have learned a couple of things, which is build a confident level, which is need to communicate with the user. Um, okay, and also have the improve my knowledge regarding to manufacturing, and also have the good experience to work with the real environments. So basically, I have I have I have make have have a good environment in Intels. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for hearing my reflection video. Thank you.